Welcome to this A to Z video about how to set up a static IP address on Windows 7. In this video, we will cover the useful tools to professionally manage IP addresses on a standard LAN or local network. When configuring your computer's IP address to a specific or new IP address, you will need to understand your network layout. This can be easily done by just going to your Windows search menu, clicking in CMD for the command prompt. Opening the command prompt, you will see most often a black background, but I've changed the color on mine. Simply enter the configuration or command ipconfig space /all, and this will show you the network layout. You'll be able to find your IPv4 address, your subnet mask, your default gateway, and DNS servers. Other tools that are useful are often called network scanners. I prefer SoftPerfect network scanner. You can find these on the internet, but be careful which one you download. The way they work is you simply are able to enter the IP address range that you're working in. So in our case, we have 2 because I have pre-configured, but my router is giving out the 192.168.1 range like most. So entering that same information here, or your similar program, hitting the start, scan, or whatever button that they call it, will provide you a list of all the IP addresses in the network in that range. Once you have this information, now you can go to configure your IP address to a static IP address of your choosing. You can go into the Windows Start menu and search bar and type Network and Sharing Center, but it's easier to just come down to the date and time, find the little monitor type icon, right click on Open Network and Sharing Center. Here you'll want to click on the Change Adapter Settings. This is just kind of like an overview of your local area network. Find the active connection, right click, Properties, then you'll find the IPv4 setting, click on it, hit Properties, and it'll open up the area where you actually configure the static IP address or IP address for your computer. In most cases, unless you've done this before, it'll have obtain an IP address automatically and obtain a DNS server address automatically. In my case, I wanted the IP address to be 8 in the range of 192.168.1. Matching the information over here, which is likely provided by your DHCP router automatically, and you find all the other addresses in your network for your other devices, then you can simply place in any IP address or numeral in the last space here, as long as it doesn't conflict with any of these other addresses. The subnet mask, default gateway, DNS server will be all the information that was there before you configured your static IP address. So just as an example, I can see that out of this list, IP address 11 is available. I'm going to change this to IP address 11, hit OK, hit Close, and if I go back to my command prompt and enter the same command again, ipconfig /all, once again all the information will be displayed, and you will see that my new address is 192.168.1.11, just as I configured here. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if this video helped you.